Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in St. Thomas, Ontario, doing a job for a wonderful client. Allowed us the privilege to do his deck. So it's an outside space. It's a Duradek. They used to have wood planks, so that you're always trying to maintain it, sand it, keep it clean, paint it. He switched to a Duradek system. So we had the framer come in yesterday. They sloped the deck. They put new tongue and groove plywood, unpressure treated, and sloped it so the water sheds. We just finished putting a concrete mixture down, sanding it. We'll take you out back, show you what it looks like. I just wanted to take a second. So this is it's an outdoor space. So they can, now they'll be able to, you can see the lawn chairs they have covered. They're gonna be able to enjoy their space underneath the deck, even when it's raining. And up top, we're gonna put the membrane down. And so all the new framing and plywood has been installed. We've cleaned it up. Now we'll show you what it looks like up top. Thanks. So we've come up top. The framer came in yesterday, again, like I was saying. It used to be a plank deck, so they reframed it with tongue and groove non-pressure treated plywood. They've sloped it to the outside, so we have a beautiful slope on here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. This is a light concrete mixture. This is we want to cover and clean all the little gaps, like the knots in the plywood, where the seams, the tongue and groove meets, the nail holes, and then we sand it. So now when we put the membrane, they won't have any transparency through. You won't see any of that stuff. Also important with membrane, we want to bring our membrane up the wall. This is a brick wall, so it's got a lot of mortar joints and stuff. The framer gave us a 4-inch plywood tapped on into the brick, so now we have something nice to bring our membrane up. And we're also going to bend some metal flashing to clean that up nicely. We'll show you the door. This is what the door looks like from the front. So now the client has a door detail. We're going to have to finish this in nicely. They can walk out. After we're done, they're going to have to put handrails in. Just kind of what you can expect when you have a new deck and a new Duradek system. We're going to put contact adhesive down. We'll show you what that looks like later. Thank you. We are back. So we finished installing the field. Go ahead, take a look. So this is the field sheet. This is the vinyl Duradek membrane. So this is the pattern side. So we put the contact adhesive on all the glue, on all of the wood, and then we put the contact adhesive on the back side of the membrane. Once it's dry and dry to the touch as it is now, we roll it into place. So that's what's you need contact adhesive on both sides, on the wood as well as the membrane. So there you go, we're gonna roll that up into our wall flashing detail. And we try to make the least amount of seams the better. It's visually appealing. So this piece is gonna roll into the door. We're gonna start putting some wall details and some sealant. There you go, show you what it looks like once we get this in place. Thanks. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal finished the job. This job really turned out nice. They're gonna be able to enjoy some outdoor living space. Basically, they extended their indoor living space by 300 square feet. So go ahead and take a look. This is a vinyl membrane adhered to new wood. We have our wall flashing, so you saw the membrane came up and over. We installed new bent aluminum and then sealed the top, so all the rainwater will shed that way. This was properly tapered to the outside. And then we also have a door detail. Really turned out nice. We didn't have much room to work with, so this really turned out sharp. They had a plank board before, so we had to actually raise it here because we need to slope to the outside. So this was always going to be our highest point. Really turned out clean. Now he can come out and enjoy his deck. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.